Hi guys. Today we're gonna try to fish at the speed bridge, okay? Under the bridge. At Surface Paradise. That's a Gold Coast highway up there where the car's running. On top of our head, and that's a Gold Coast highway. So the bridge under Gold Coast highway. We're gonna see if we're gonna catch any fish around here to show it to you guys. My rod, very lazy. Sit on a chair, relax. So hopefully we're gonna catch a fish here somehow to show it to you guys, okay? So stay tuned and see you guys on the first fish that we're gonna catch here. If we're gonna catch any fish here. Alright, see you guys on the first fish.
Jadi tonje na. Saya tu anje aje. Tay tu minyak. Brim. Tay tu minyak brim.
First fish of the day. Don't come, Monica. Don't come. Don't come.
What your like that, man? What your like that?
See the area I stay? It's all oyster, okay? This is not recommend for people if you don't know what you're doing. That's why I told my boy to stay away, don't come close to me. These oyster can cut you easily, so make sure you know what you're doing before you enter the oyster area. This is a very, very dangerous area, guys, so be cautious. These oysters, they're not like a knife, okay? They're more than that. They're like a razor. So danger. If you don't know what you're doing, keep away from the oyster area. One touch and you are gone. Can you guys see the fishing line that I just put away? So whenever you're fishing, please keep your fishing lines away or put it in the bin, because they're very, very dangerous for the pigeon or birds around the bridge here. Especially pigeon, they live around the under the bridge. So be very, very cautious, please, and keep your fishing line in a plastic bag and put them in the bin.
đời à. Đời là Nó từ ba mẹ của trên đó mà của trên sở thứ ba như cái một đời là muốn chấp của bệnh
Yeah, just little.
just little.
So we are gonna measure this first.
Đời có vật chất đời à.
Let's go here.
Có đời lắm.
Hi guys, this is my boy, Alexander. He doesn't know what he's doing, but he's trying hard. He tried to take the hook out. He's trying hard, very hard. And this is what it's good about it, guys. Bring the family, come under the bridge and just enjoy. It's not taking fish home or things like that. Just come and enjoy it. Bring the whole family. Come and have fun like my boy.
Nhung đó. Ok.
Oh, and we are gonna let go. Okay?
Phải
Easy.
trẻ. Con trẻ có bốn lờ. Mẹ xứ lờ. Mẹ xứ lờ. Chà nó, cho nó chỉ mới cho. Tụi con chắc sai ở đó. Các tu measurement cho tu đã đi measurement cho nó cho 30 lo
26.
26
26 centimeter brain. Okay, guys, 26. What do I like?
เอาแม่
Which one for us?
Cái cho nó vui vậy nó cho nó vui tại ít tuần trẻ đó phải tới tuần nào tôi thì cái này có
This is a duck. Look at.
wow tụi con lắc cơ ở đó để đi tao tuần trẻ lắc cơ đó tụi con nó chạy đâu
lâu nữa cho lo phải nói cho nó chùm của nó chắc chạy đấy. $29. Ladies and gentlemen, 29 centimeter. Okay. So this is like a beautiful bream. This is beautiful. Kan kamu saya kata nggak butuh apa, lah kan nggak butuh apa, kan nggak.
Chuyện gì thế nào bên đó nó tới chuyện gì nhá chuyện lo yên á sao sai tiến thao tụi con lót thôi chỉ có chả nè
Itu deh jualan yang goto nah. Nah.
mất cái tiền thế mà được cho nè hai mẹ ơi nhau phú tận nó kia nhưng chùa tiên nó lúc lâu thì bé cha lúc lâu thì để lo để chùa thì để xía chả tự chỉ lấy thì là nhớ thằng non tệ